Vanakkam, Swamiye Sharanamayappa. We have come to the last week of Puratasi, and again we'd like to reiterate just some of the things most important about what we should learn in the month of Puratasi. We've learned that Puratasi deals with developing self-discipline. Puratasi helps one to become compassionate, and it reminds one to become grateful. For many people, the concept of food is the most important thing about Puratasi. And they're absolutely right. Because food has three gunas or qualities. We get food that are tamasic or bad. They actually make and agitate us, create the kind of animalistic tendencies that we have inside us even greater. The tendencies of hatred, jealousy, agitation becomes even greater when we eat tamasic kind of food. This is half-cooked food, stale food, pungent food, and so on. Rajasic food, on the other hand, is food that makes us highly active. They create the kind of person that cannot sit still. That person is always wanting to do something. Chilies, the kind of spicy food that we eat, tends to make us Rajasic people. The consumption of meat actually makes us Rajasic in nature. However, when we come to fruit, vegetable, nuts, and milk, we find that this is a sattvic food, and this food has the tendency of bringing calmness, solace, purity of thought to every individual. So during this month, when people stop eating the Rajasic and Tamasic foods and eat the Sattvic food, whether they do it grudgingly or whether they do it with a tremendous amount of devotion, the effect is the same. A kind of peace dawns on the individual that undertakes this vrat during Puratasi to abstain from eating meat, abstain from drinking alcohol, abstain from smoking cigarettes and the ingestion of other drugs. So food is an essential part of the vratam. However, the development of the character of an individual is the greatest reason for fasting. When we become self-disciplined, when we become compassionate, when we develop the wonderful value of gratitude and understanding that food enables us to be able to do this, then we would have been doing the fasting with a tremendous amount of insight. It is our wish from Pretoria Bhajani Mandiram HT Ayyappa Chetram, from all the members and its officials, that you would have achieved the objective of this wonderful Puratasi month. Swamiye Sharanamayappa.